Hello, my friends. After the hull is glued up, it has to be removed from the forms.
Now to remove the forms, I have to take the interlocking blocking out, and then I can hit these to break the glue joints, the hot glue. So these wedges get knocked out. Then this one is the key. All the others are the same. Obviously these other ones I should have put in the other direction, but move the forms down. And they'll come loose. Okay, they're all knocked loose except bow and stern. Those I'll have to coast differently. Okay, the form is completely loose.
Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.